Actress and Hollywood star of Black Panther and the new film Venom, Sope Aluko is glowing yet again and dripping in African royalty. That's right, this Nigerian native was seen gracing the Venom world premiere in a dress designed by Kathy Anthony, fashion house of Abuja. Now the dress was delivered all the way from Nigeria, and seeing that the premiere did take place on Nigeria's Independence Day, it was only right to represent. Now according to these social media streets, Kathy Anthony's designs have gone viral. Take a look at some of her signature pieces. Africa's top designer hailing from Nigeria, Toyin Iwu-Kimjinka, is an economist and self-trained fashion designer. Good with numbers and knows how to get us women slayed in these couture dresses. The world better watch out because this fashion extraordinaire is clearly coming through with chic and sophisticated designs. The movie Venom is premiering everywhere, and you know your girl Cammie is going to be rocking out a Kathy Anthony dress at her next red carpet function. This is Noire TV, #GlobalBlack, but make sure you let us know what you think of her new looks using #NoireTVBITES.